Welcome to MirrorFly, a unified communications product for real-time chat, audio and video calls SDK. I shall be walking you through integrating chat in 20 minutes. In this video, we shall deep dive to see how to integrate the MirrorFly UIKit SDK in Angular platform. You can easily set up pre-built UI components for chat and calls features. Our MirrorFly UIKit comes with customizable themes and color sets that easily develop your chat app with all essential messaging features. Before moving into the integration part, you need to know about the SDK license key to initiate chat. You can get a valid license key from the MirrorFly user console or dashboard. You would need to be a registered user to access the console. Since I am already a registered user, I'm logging into the MirrorFly user console. In the overview page, you could find the license key and API base URL. You would need them in your project to initiate the chat. Also, you can get access to the sample project source, SDK files, to test your integrations. Let's start the chat SDK integrations for latest version in Angular. Follow the steps 1 to 6. If you not install the Angular in your system, first install the Angular in your application terminal. Successfully installed the Angular in your project. Then create an Angular project using this command to execute ng-new. Here, I choose my app as the name for my sample project. Now you have to choose the style sheet format. I'm selecting the SCSS. The above command will take some time to install the Angular and to create a new project with the name My App. The above screen tells that the Angular project is created successfully on our system. Now created the default files and folders successfully. Type the following command in the terminal to move to the My App directory. Run the command ng-serve to execute the Angular application. Now we need to start the server so that we can access the application on the browser. Successfully created the Angular project. In the second step, install the following package in your application terminal. Install the MirrorFly UIKit using npm package. Install the UIKit in my application terminal. Now our MirrorFly UIKit is installed successfully. Now install React package in application terminal. Our UIKit is developed by the React components, so we're installing the React packages in Angular. Install the React DOM package in application terminal. React component are rendered with the React DOM elements, so we are installing the React DOM package in Angular. Install the type React DOM package in application terminal. Module includes TypeScript declaration files and provides the specific types information of React DOM package. Install the type React package in application terminal. Module includes TypeScript declaration files and provides the specific types information of React package. Now successfully installed all the dependencies and added in package.json. Now moving on step 3. Create a file inside project with .tsx and implement the initialization function. I'm creating the chatapp.tsx file inside the src folder. Now copy the initialize function. Paste the initialize function in chatapp.tsx file to run our tsx file. In step 4, additionally, you might need to modify your tsconfig.json file to include JSX, React under the compiler options. Now the errors are gone. Now copy the license key details, can get it from the overview section in the MirrorFly console dashboard. Paste the license key in chat app component. Now copy the API URL. Paste the API URL. Give the user identifier as a unique ID to register the user. We accept only the alphanumeric string, so don't use any special characters in the user identifier. If you're a sandbox user, set as true, otherwise set as false. That is when you go live, you need to set this false. In step 5, Angular.json file add below style. To set the assets path to load our default style and images and icons in our MirrorFly packages. In step 6, app.component.ts file extend the React component in Angular for following codes. our React component rendered with the React DOM. Now import the TSX file name in MirrorFly UI React component. Follow the 6 steps to integrate the Chat SDK for Angular version 12 or above. Now run the application in browser to execute. Now displaying the recent chat. Tapping the icon in the top right corner, the app lands into the chat page with all the registered users using the same license key. Then you can select users you wish to start your chat, enter your first message, and send. You successfully sent your first message with MirrorFly. Great. If you are using Angular version 11 or below, follow the steps 1 to 7. React DOM type React DOM packages should be version 16 only supported. In step 7, to run the .tsx file, add following codes in tsconfig.json file under the compiler options. In step 8, to run the application in server-side rendering, follow the below codes in server.ts file. Let's see how to do the custom conversation page. If the user need chat conversation page alone, then initialize custom conversation in chat app component. Paste in chat app.tsx file. Call the custom conversation component in chat app component. The user ID represents another user to start with chat. You have to give the user a registered username. Username is always a phone number or string. Do not use any special characters in the username. Now let's see the browser. You can chat with the particular user alone. The conversation value represents true. It shows the conversation page alone. Otherwise, set as false. It shows recent chat and conversation screen. We can also use to import Web SDK methods from MirrorFly UIKit. The below code represents the import SDK methods from MirrorFly UIKit. Use prime functionality of MirrorFly outside the UIKit functions. We are now end of the quick start section in integrating the UIkit SDK. Hope this video is useful for your chat integration process. Please feel free to reach us for any support by raising a support ticket from your console. Thank you.